Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're diving deep into a movement that's transforming the world of architecture and challenging traditional living spaces: container living homes. Container living homes design is the creative and architectural practice of repurposing retired steel shipping containers into habitable dwellings. These containers, originally built to transport goods across oceans, are given a second life as the structural foundation of a house. This design approach goes beyond simply stacking metal boxes. It involves careful engineering, insulation, and modification to create a comfortable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing living space. From a single container studio to sprawling multi-story mansions, the versatility of these modules allows for a wide range of designs that are both practical and visually striking. One of the most significant benefits of container living is its affordability. Compared to conventional construction, the cost of the raw building material, the container itself, is substantially lower. This can dramatically reduce overall construction costs, making homeownership a more achievable goal for many. Another major advantage is the speed of construction. Since the primary structure is already prefabricated, a significant portion of the work can be done off-site in a controlled environment. This cuts down on on-site build time, minimizes delays from weather, and allows you to move into your new home much faster. Beyond just cost and speed, container homes are a powerful statement in sustainable living. By upcycling these massive steel boxes, you are directly contributing to the reduction of industrial waste and minimizing your carbon footprint. This practice of cargotecture repurposes a durable material that might otherwise go unused, saving on raw materials like wood, brick, and concrete. The inherent durability of the Corten steel containers, which are built to withstand harsh marine environments, also means they are incredibly strong and resilient against extreme weather, offering a safe and secure living space for decades with proper maintenance. The exterior of a container home is where you can truly express your style and transform it from a functional box into a beautiful piece of architecture. A popular approach is to embrace the industrial aesthetic by leaving the corrugated steel exposed and simply applying a vibrant, or a muted, sophisticated paint color. Black, dark gray, or even a bold blue can create a dramatic, modern look. However, if you want to soften the industrial feel, cladding is your best friend. Applying wood siding, metal panels, or even stucco can completely disguise the original container, giving it the appearance of a traditional or contemporary home. Don't forget the power of additional architectural elements. Adding a sloped roof, a gabled overhang, or a large covered porch can break up the boxy shape and add character. Decks and patios are essential for expanding your living space outdoors, creating a seamless connection to nature. And finally, landscaping is key. Strategic planting, decorative stone pathways, and thoughtful outdoor lighting can tie the entire design together, making your container home feel not just like a house, but a true home nestled in its environment. To complete your inspiration, here are the top 10 container living house design ideas best crafted for you. One, the modern minimalist. This modern two-story home is a perfect example of clean design. The exterior is a uniform, dark gray color. The top container is dramatically cantilevered, extending over the lower level and creating a prominent overhang. The home features large, black-framed windows on both floors, and a simple wooden deck is visible on the ground level, surrounded by a manicured green lawn. 2. The open-air retreat. This single-level home has a clean, white exterior and is centered around a large wooden deck. The deck is covered by a flat roof that extends over the house, providing a spacious, shaded outdoor living area. The home has a large sliding glass door and windows that open onto the deck, making the interior feel connected to the natural, grassy surroundings. 3. The geometric desert dwelling. This multi-level, multi-container home features a warm, light brown or tan exterior that blends with its arid surroundings. The containers are stacked and staggered, creating multiple levels and a balcony with a modern black railing. The design has large windows and glass doors, and the home is set on a landscape with rocks and sparse vegetation, giving it a unique, rugged feel. Four, the cozy cabin. This single-container home is defined by its warm, wood-paneled exterior. It stands out from a typical container home due to the inclusion of a prominent gabled roof, which gives it a traditional cabin-like appearance. A large window on the front provides a view from the interior. The home is located in a green, rural setting, highlighting its cozy and rustic charm. Five, the bold and staggered. This multi-level container home has a striking, dark exterior. The containers are stacked in a complex, staggered pattern to create multiple levels and patios. The home features large windows and a covered area with a deck below. The structure sits on a rocky, uneven landscape, which emphasizes its robust and custom design. 6. The vibrant blue. This multi-container home makes a bold statement with its bright blue exterior. The containers are stacked to create a multi-level structure with a prominent second-story deck. A spiral staircase is visible on the side of the house, providing access to the upper level. The home is surrounded by a green lawn and trees, and has large windows and sliding glass doors. Seven, the modern angles. This home has a unique, asymmetrical design created by the arrangement of its light gray containers. The structure features large windows on both levels, with one on the top floor offering a wide view. A covered area underneath the cantilevered section could be used for parking or a patio. The home is set in a natural, rugged environment with a rocky ground and distant hills. 8. The two-story sanctuary. This is a beautiful two-story container home with a dark exterior. The top container is set back from the bottom one, creating a second-story balcony with a simple metal railing. The home has large windows on both levels, and a covered patio on the ground floor. It is set in a natural landscape with a variety of trees in the background. 9. The decked-out retreat. This single-container home has a dark, textured gray exterior. A large, covered wooden deck is attached to the front, creating a comfortable and welcoming outdoor space. A large sliding glass door opens onto the deck, connecting the interior to the outdoors. The home is situated in a natural, grassy environment with tall trees in the background. 10. The glass-fronted modernist. This multi-level container home has a clean, light-colored exterior, giving it a very modern look. The containers are stacked to create a prominent second-story terrace with a sleek glass railing. The home features large, floor-to-ceiling windows on the ground floor and has a clean, boxy silhouette. The design is minimalist and very contemporary. Container homes offer a world of possibilities, proving that sustainable, affordable, and beautiful living can come in a surprising package. Whether you're a minimalist, an off-grid adventurer, or simply looking for an innovative approach to your next home project, container living provides a durable, customizable, and eye-catching solution. We hope these incredible designs have inspired you to think outside the box, literally. Let us know in the comments below which container home was your favorite, and what other design topics you'd like us to cover. And if you're ready to build your own dream home, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Better Homes Designs, and click the bell icon so you never miss an episode. After this, we will provide you gallery of best modern shipping container house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.